Nandita from Nandita's Rangoli. See, this is my first live. On request, I have come live on Instagram. But at the same time, thanks a lot to all of you for the support you have given me always. Now today I will be showcasing just a few collections of my Dhakai Jamdani. In the meantime, definitely I try to show a little bit of the two pieces sets that is just left. A few dupattas, a few cushion covers, and the bottom line is that these are all from rural Bangladesh. They are all handcrafted products. There is nothing, machine is not involved here. It is totally handcrafted. Now I would just like to start by showing one of my own collection, rather my own sari I would like to start with. Now this sari, as you can all see, this is in pista green. Okay, this is this is not for sale. This is my personal sari. I just wanted to share with my patrons, my friends. So see, this sari is totally hand woven, like all my collections, and this sari is priced at 60,000. Yes, you heard it right. It's 60,000. So now you can imagine the amount of work they do, the amount of labor they give, the amount of patience there is involved in weaving a sari. Now this particular sari was woven for around 11 to 12 months. This particular sari of mine. It was woven for 11 to 12 months. Sorry? Don't need prompt from there, please. Now I'll start. I would request everyone, I will be telling you the price, and only for this festival occasion, on our wholesale prices, we will be giving you 7% discount flat even to our new clients, and definitely for our repeat clients, we will be giving you 10%. Okay, and this is only applicable till the 31st of October, that is only for this month. And as you all know, from Nandita's Rangoli, shipping charges is always complimentary. So I start with my first sari. Can you put on the lights? Okay, just a minute. Just put on the lights. I'll be there. I'll be there in a minute. This beautiful sari is in a slate color. This is a lovely slate color, and then you have this off-white work. You have a little bit of zari work, and I'll show you the fabric. See the fineness of the fabric. See the fineness. Now this is the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari. Now all our saris, from first to last, it is all work is there. It is not that it's only in the front and it's not there at the back. Definitely inside your work will get reduced a little bit, but there will be work inside. Now this sari is for 7,750. 7,750 this sari. You can take a screenshot and you can contact me later in WhatsApp, or you can DM us, or you can give me a phone call. I'm just a phone call away. This is 7,750. For new clients, it is 7% off, and for our repeat patrons, it is 10% off with free shipping charges. This is a very, very light, a very pretty sari in rouge color. Just come a little bit closer here. The work is self work. On the rouge color, you will have this rouge work, and you are having this little chota tiny butas in zari. Now all these work are hand woven, as I've told you, and and one more thing, none of our saris are coming with a blouse piece, because blouse piece is only available if a particular sari is above 20,000 or so. Now this is an extremely light sari, extremely light, like all our saris, and just I can show you the texture. Now this sari is priced at, this beautiful rouge sari is priced at, just a minute. This sari is priced at 4,900 rupees, 4,900 rupees, 7% off for our new clients, and for repeat patrons 10% off. Now in the video which I'll show a little bit dupatta, if anyone is interested in a dupatta. See, this dupatta, all our saris are in pure cotton, 100% cotton. Now this dupatta is half silk. Half silk means it is 50% resham, 50% silk and 50% cotton. Now this designer dupatta is for 2,100, and then you have the discounts as applicable. Comments coming, like anyone wants to see something?
No.
Hi Joita. Hi Raki. Hello to everyone. Now look at this one. Now as I've told you, all our saris are 100% pure cotton. There is no mix, and 100% hand woven. No machine is involved. This is the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari. This is the body of the sari. Now on one side you will be having this orange color. It's a deep orange, a bright orange color, and on the other side you will be having this magenta. Just see the fabric, it's so manageable. It's so manageable. It's very light. I'm not a sari person, but still I really crave for jamdanis. Okay. I'll tell you the price of this. As you can see, our saris inside it also has a work. See, this is the inside of the sari. It's not like the other saris that is the work is only in the pallu. The work is only near the, in the front. No, in our, as you go inside, definitely the work will be reduced a little bit, but work will be there. This is inside, this is outside. And the price of this beauty is it's 7,500. 7,500. I'll just show the texture. 7,500 before discount. Something in white for Ashtami. Hope you are liking the sarees. This is the pallu here. Now this beautiful sari is priced at 6,300. 6,300 before discount. For new clients 7%. For our repeat patrons it is 10%.
Mama, somebody has a request. Please.
Yeah, Alia, you want dresses? Right, dear? So dresses, we have unstitched fabric. I'll just show you, dear. Give me some time, okay? I'll just show you, dear. This sari, I don't know how to describe this color. It's a blush pink, it's a powder pink. It's something, it's too unique, too beautiful. It's beautiful. It's a mixture of, you can say it is a mixture of lilac and pink. Now this is priced at 6,900 before discount. You can feel the fabric here. Just bring the camera here. You can feel the fabric here. The fineness of the fabric. It's extremely light. All our sarees are extremely light because they are 100% cotton. This is the pallu. This is the pallu, dear. Then this is the border. And these are the small dots. It's very elegant. It feels so cool, the color.
Mama, there's another request here. Someone requested for dupattas.
Please show dupatta. Okay, dear. Okay. I just showed it. Okay. Just a minute, dear. Dupattas only left a few pieces. I'll show it. Okay. Now in the middle, I'll show something more. See, these are the 2-piece sets. Unstitched 2-piece sets. These are unstitched 2-piece sets. This is also 100% cotton, pure cotton. This set is priced at 2,500. 5% discount for our new clients and 7% for our repeat patrons, and definitely complimentary or free shipping anywhere in India. This is your kurti, okay? This is your kurti and this is your dupatta. This is your dupatta. It's a lovely piece. It's 2,500 each before discount. This comes in a set. Hi Nida. Another 2-piece set I'm going to show. This is also 2,500 each set. For new clients it's 5% off. For our repeat clients it's 7% off. Free shipping charges anywhere in India, and 100% cotton, 100% handwoven. This is the dupatta. This is the dupatta, dear. Okay, this is the dupatta. It's okay, Nidhi? It's the dupatta. And the kurti I'll show just a minute. I hope I'm okay.
Ma, could you show the dupatta again?
Yeah. But just a minute. Yeah.
The camera didn't capture it.
This is the kurti, the top. This is the kurti.
Mama, is it in black?
Yeah, it is in black. It is in black with red.
Ma, dupatta.
Yeah, just a minute here. This is the dupatta.
Mama, you have a request.
Pastel shades, as I've showcased there. Only a few pieces are left. This is end of season. This is again a set, 2,500, pure cotton. This is the kurti.
Mama, the previous one was for 2,000.
2,500. All are 2,500. All are two pieces sets in pure cotton are 2,500. For new clients it's 5% off, for our repeat clients it's 7% off, free shipping charges anywhere in India. This is the kurti or the kurta, and I'll show you the dupatta. This is in light blue or sky blue, what you see.
Mama, please check.
Sorry?
Mama, check the video notes and comments.
Yeah, whatever colors we are having, we are showing here because it is the end of the season. All the stocks are sold out. This is what we are having just at the moment. This is in a purple brinjal color. This is also in pure cotton. This is this has this tinge of red, purple. And you have this dupatta.
Mama, do a closer view like.
Yeah, I'll just give a close up. So dupatta.
Mama, someone can't see it, so they need to see it slowly.
It's okay. Dear. You want the kurti again? Yeah?
Please.
Yeah, this is the kurti, dear.
Mama, just hold it once.
Yeah. We have now I'll just go back to the sarees, okay? Again I'll come back to the kurtis.
Mama, someone has another request. Do you have one in white background?
White background. See, I have to check, okay? I'll just go with the sarees, dear. Again I'll come back with the stocks, okay? Now this saree is now all the sarees which I am showing you is from a Bonedi collection, as you all know, the cultural heritage of Bengal, whether it is East Bengal or West Bengal, but it is the culture of Bengal. East Bengal is Bangladesh and West Bengal is where we are staying, that is Kolkata. Now this also around 100% cotton. This is priced at 7,000. See the work and the amount of patience, the hard work the weavers give. It's totally handloom, 100% cotton. They take 6 months, 7 months to finish one saree. What we are giving you is at a wholesale rate only at your retail purchase. See the inside. Inside you are also having work. This is the inside of the saree. This is priced at 7,000. I'll go off to the new one, next one. As usual, 7% only for puja and 10% for our repeat clients. Now the 7% and 10% on the Bonedi sarees is only till the month of October. See this beautiful pale powder pink. This is the body of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari.
Mama, just close it.
Yeah. Very tiny, or rather very small zari booties. And see this. See the bottom. This is priced at 7,950. $7,950 before discount. Okay. I hope I'm going okay. My first life after all.
Mama, there are some requests.
Yeah,
Please
please.
check it.
Yeah, Alia, you don't wear sarees, I understand, yeah. But today's show, live is including everything, okay? In case you want to join later, you can join later, or you can get back to me in WhatsApp, yeah, okay? See this print. This is in a peach color, light peach color, that blends with your skin. What can be more elegant than this? This is 7,550. 7,550. Thank you, Kamali. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. See. Whenever I see this color, I feel thanda, cool. It's really cool.
Okay.
It's like a coffee shake or peach shake. I don't know what is the beautiful color I should call it.
Mama, is this in cotton?
100% cotton. 100% cotton, 100% handloom. No mix. I can assure you, if you go to Bangladesh, this 7,000, what's the price I told you? This 7,750 sari, you will not get less than 20,000. This much I can assure you. Because I am getting it directly from the expert weavers of rural Bangladesh. So you're getting the saris at a wholesale price in your retail purchase. Okay. Okay, want to see the fabric here? Now, this is a very cute one. It's only priced at 5,000 rupees. As I told you, all the Bodegi sarees are pure cotton. See, this is the inside of the saree. See, work is inside also. You will find work everywhere. This is the inside of the saree. And just a minute here. This is the pallu. It's such a cute one, you know, you can team it up with a designer blouse, like the floral blouses or the check blouses. You have red, orange, you have red, you have green. It's an off-white.
Mama, could you just see the details?
Yeah, sure, yeah. This is 5,000 before discount, grab it. Before I change my mind. a vermilion red, Sindur Lal. This I've already showcased once in my Instagram. I think my red sari is a must in any woman's wardrobe. This has this lovely self motif. See the fabric is a lovely self motif with little bit of zari booties. You don't need anything, any jewelry with this. You know, you just need a jhumka, a mangalsutra, and a red sari, and that's all. As in Sindur Lal. 100% cotton, 100% handloom.
Mama,
Huh?
could you please tell them how to book it?
To book it, you ask me.
Yes, Mama.
Yeah, please. Please give me please send a screenshot of your preference, of your choice, and you can WhatsApp us at 833, right? 833. Sorry, you just said it.
You can WhatsApp us at 833-6085-935. I'll repeat it again. 833-6085-935, or you can just DM it to us at Instagram.
Please give a screenshot. That will be easy for us to book your sari, and we only take bank transfers or Google Pay. And definitely, as I told you, free delivery charges anywhere in India. Till the 31st of October, it is 7% off for new clients, and for repeat clients, it's 10% off. Now, next I go to my another sari. This sari is 6,900 here. I would have just wished like all my patrons were here and they could have felt the fabric. Just feel the fabric there. It is in a steel grey with contrasted with a dull green. It's so nice for a formal wear, for an office wear. Just feel the fabric, just so soft. And once you wear it, it becomes much more softer. 100% cotton, 100% handwoven.
Mama, someone is requested for the price of the red sari.
Red sari is 5,700.
Ma, could you say it aloud?
5,700, yeah. Red sari. Yeah, and one thing I would just request, means it's an honest request to everyone. Please don't send queries for sold out products. That is the reason always in my Instagram, always in Facebook, always in WhatsApp I say that this particular product is sold out. Because these all products are handcrafted. Whether it is a kurti, whether it is a dupatta, whether it is a sari, these are all handcrafted, 100% handloom. So we cannot give you a second piece of that. Okay, so please don't send queries for sold out products. Okay, now mango motif, arm or mango motif, that is the symbol of Bengal. Okay, so I'm going to show a sari in that, and this is priced at 6,500. 6,500 before discount, okay? And definitely you have a discount of 7% and 10% for a repeat clients. Okay, see. What I'm missing now, had this not been this COVID problem or anything, I would have hosted an exhibition and I could have gone to the cities and shown the fabric, the softness, the authenticity of the fabrics, the handloom fabrics. Okay, see here, this is the body. I'm not a sari person, but still, I just fell in love with Jamdani 6 years back. Okay, this is the inside. See, the inside you are also having work. This inside of the sari, we are having work there. Okay, and these are the mango motifs here. And this is the pallu. It's in jet black. In the puja mandap, wear this with white flowers, with a bun and just red golden jhumkas, and it's too much. Just awesome. Okay, I go for the next one. This designer sari is just in a solid body. Okay? It's plain solid. It's a off-white, pinkish white, you know, like this milk white it is. And you will not say it is a bright white or an off-white. It's just, you know, as if it's a milky white. A little bit of pinkish tinge. Now this sari is priced at, before discount, 6,700. Just come a little bit closer. This is the dupatta here. Sorry, dupatta is the achal. Sorry. And this is the border. The border will be running inside also. Okay. I'll show you the texture of the fabric. See, texture. Team it up with any blouse dear, any designer, and especially halter neck blouses will also go well, or you know, like a high neck blouse will go, a floral blouse will go.